Hey, could I ask you a personal question?
Of course.
And I would like an honest answer, please.
You'll get one.
Do I annoy you?
Annoy me?
Yeah.
What kind of question is that?
Well, for example, we've been sitting here for the past few hours and you haven't said anything to me otherwise.
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't noticed.
Oh, I see.
I suppose it was because I was just too busy thinking.
Thinking.
That's right.
About what?
What?
Thinking about, I was just curious, and the only reason I'm bringing this up now is because your opinion means a lot to me.
Well, I guess I was just thinking about how much I hate sitting here next to you and how I wish you and I were not here. Satisfied?
Yeah, I suppose so.
Glad to hear it.